In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect frames in Figma. Easy. Connecting frames lets you turn your static designs into interactive flows so viewers can click through your app or website just like a real product. To get started, open the Figma website in your browser, then open your page or file with the design you want to prototype. Arrange your frames in the canvas so they're easy to see side by side. That makes connections simple to follow as you work and keeps your workspace clean. Once your frame design is ready, switch from the Design panel to the Prototype panel. This toggle sits in the right sidebar. With Prototype active, click the frame that should be the starting point of your interaction. You'll see a small plus icon appear near the edge of the selected frame. Click that plus icon and connect it to the frame you want to navigate to. You can attach it to another frame, a nested frame, or a specific element inside a frame, depending on your layout and what you want the interaction to do. As soon as you create the connection, Figma shows you a set of interaction settings in the sidebar. Explore these and adjust them to match your intent. You can pick the trigger, such as on-click or on-tap, set what happens, like navigate to, and choose the destination if you want to change it. You can also fine-tune the animation with options like Instant, Dissolve, or Smart Animate. Adjust easing and duration for a smoother feel, and decide whether to preserve scroll position when moving between frames. If your design scrolls, that last option helps transitions feel natural and avoids jarring jumps. If you're not seeing the plus icon, double-check that prototype mode is selected and that an entire frame is highlighted. Zoom in a bit to reveal the connector if things feel crowded, and keep your layers tidy so it's clear which frame you're linking from. These small habits make connecting multiple frames much faster and reduce mistakes. Repeat the same process to connect other frames in your flow. A clean, readable layout and clear frame names make it easier to understand the path your users will take. When you're done connecting, your prototype will reflect those links right on the canvas, and you can continue refining the settings anytime. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your page, switch to prototype, click your frame, use the plus icon to connect to another frame, explore the settings, and adjust as needed. You're now ready to build smooth, clickable flows from your designs.